Hello everyone, I am Anna from Genie course team. Today I am going to introduce you our latest independent research and development machine, melting tank. As you can see, it has 6 tanks and customized for our French client. For 6 tanks, it can work separately and support working in the meantime of these 6 tanks. And if you want to speed up your production, you can put the materials in 2 tanks. And as we can see, here is a special design for disassembling. If customers want to disassemble the cap, just need to pull this out. It's very convenient. Now I am going to show you how to cope this machine. First, turn on the switch, then turn on the melting switch. As we can see, here are 3 dial plates. The first one is controlling the materials. Second one is oil temperature controller. The last one is nozzle temperature controller. We always setting the oil temperature 10 degrees higher than the others according to our experience. Okay, here is a special design of our valve. This valve has no blind corner. It's easy for customer cleaning and fulfill the GMP standard. Now, I'll show you how to clean it. Take out the cover, firstly, and unscrew 4 screws in 4 corners. And here are 2 screws. Unscrew them. Okay, now put all the parts into the white oil for cleaning. Thank you for watching and looking for cooperating with you in the near future.